हम पहुंच गए हैं रेस्टोरेंट में और अब जाके देखते हैं कि खाना कैसा होगा. Robbie, so what you think about Pakistani food?
Oh, I already taste just a couple of dishes he prepared for me, and I find it very tasteful, very nice, and I can't wait to try some other dishes. You know, chapati is very nice, for example.
Chapati roti.
And even the other one, the rice with the fish.
Biryani.
Biryani.
Yeah, with the...
Yeah, you know, your language is very strange. But...
You like it?
Yeah, I very like. We gonna try something this evening.
Okay.
Don't know really again what. But we gonna say to your followers how was the food of this evening.
Okay. So let's see. Let's see today.
Let's see.
So यहाँ मैं मौजूद हूँ सुल्तान रेस्टोरेंट में और मेरे साथ एक इंडियन फ्रेंड बैठा हुआ है और एक इटालियन है. तो आज इनको टेस्ट करवाना है पाकिस्तानी खाना. तो इसके लिए हम आज आए हैं सुल्तान रेस्टोरेंट. तो देखते हैं कि कैसा रहेगा.
Very tasteful, very nice.
Thank you. Pakistani food.
Which kind of recipe is this?
It's with spinach with chicken.
Very nice.
Yeah.